Do you want to earn money online as a beginner? There are social task platforms where you can complete simple online tasks like surveys and micro jobs to earn reward. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 of these websites, and if you are new to earning online, I'm also going to be dropping the step-by-step tutorial videos of each of the platform I'll be talking about in the description box. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to know how you can start earning online as a beginner. So the first platform we are going to be talking about is Freecash. Freecash allows users to earn money by completing simple tasks such as testing games, completing offers, and doing surveys. And there are also other small online activities which you can do to earn. And if you want a full video on how this website works, check out my description box. I pasted the link there. The second website is called JumpTax. Now, JumpTax focuses on micro tasks, which are small jobs that anyone can complete online. And some ways you can earn here is through surveys, testing apps, watching videos, or doing social tasks. Now, this platform is great for beginners who want to start earning online without any experience. And if you also want a full video about this, the link is also on my description box, which you can check out. And the third platform is Timebox. Now, Timebox offers a lot of ways you can earn, like watching videos, completing surveys, or doing other online activities like social tasks, or even referring. Now, Timebox is very good because it is beginner friendly and it allows you to earn online in your spare time. If you also want a full detailed video about this, still check out my description box for the link. The fourth platform is called Bizu. Now, Bizu allows users to earn rewards by completing online tasks and offers. This is also very good. It is beginner friendly and it is a good starting point for everyone who is looking to earn money online without any experience. And a full tutorial about this website is also available on my channel, and the link is also in my description box. Now, if you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Now, the fifth and last platform is Foxy Grow Telegram bots. Now, Foxy Grow allow you to earn by completing simple online or social tasks. On Foxy Grow, you earn by doing social tasks like following a Facebook account, an Instagram account, liking a post, and so on. So this one is also very easy, and a full tutorial about this is also on my channel. Now, before trying out any of the platform that I mentioned in this video, remember to always follow the platform rules and policies. And one thing that you should have in mind is that earnings are not guaranteed, and earnings may also depend on your location and tax availability. So if you like this video, or if this video helps you, please give me a like. And if you want more money online tutorials like this, or beginner friendly earning apps or tutorials, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Remember to check the description for each of the videos I talked about. Thank you for watching.